Guys, just a tip before you start watching the video: if you want to make the smoothest donuts ever on the outside, the secret is to mix the dry ingredients separately and the wet ingredients separately, and then you bring them together. And another tip is to sieve your flour and also melt your butter. Those three things are very important to achieving some smooth donuts, guys. And I always go the simple way because I'm always busy, so I go the simple way by adding my butter directly to the flour and all those things. But it takes a lot of time and energy to get the batter well combined and smooth at the end when you use this method I used in this video. So better you choose the option of mixing your wet and dry ingredients separately, sifting your flour before use, and also melting your butter and adding to the wet ingredients. So that's it, guys. And I have a ton of videos on donuts on this channel. I have videos on yogurt donuts, banana donuts, coconut donuts, donuts for business, donuts for beginners with 1 cup of flour. Guys, check my playlist for a lot of videos. I have approximately 300 videos on this channel, guys. Check them. I have beautiful recipes for you guys. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys for your support so far. I'm so grateful to you guys. You guys know I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tencha Lovely, as you all already know. You guys are heartily welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be making an original donut recipe, the best ever, guys. Follow carefully. much. Love and light your way. Bye bye.